Hello, Matt Davis here with some more quiz help. This one is from section 5.2. Suppose the probability of A is 0.6316, the probability of B is 0.1812, and the probability of A and B is 0.0984. Determine the probability of not A and approximate our answer using 4 decimal places. So in the interest of giving help and not answers, I'm just going to change this a little bit and change the value of the probability of A. So instead of the number they gave us here, we'll go with a new number, 0.7482 as our probability of A. And now we'll just go ahead and do the problem. So to determine the probability of not A, we just want to use the complement rule. So to get the probability of not A, we do 1 minus the probability of A. So that's 1 minus 0.7482, which is equal to 0.2518. And that's it. So our answer would be 0.2518. So it seems like a quick question. So where do people go wrong? The most common thing that people do wrong is they think, well, if it's not A, it must be B. But A and B are not necessarily complements of each other. There are other things that can go on. If you think about a Venn diagram space, and if I have an event here, A, and they want me to shade not A, then I would just shade everything in the box but outside of the circle. Now if I go through and I do that, and then I add an event B, notice that not A includes part of B, but part of B is not included. So you can't say something as simple as not A is equal to B. If we shade B here, maybe we can see that a little bit more. So notice that part of B is overlapping with A, and part of B is in the not A. But then there's this other stuff out here that's not A, but it's not part of B. So the key thing to make this simple is you don't think about B at all. If they say, what's the probability of not A, you just do 1 minus the probability of A. B doesn't factor into it at all. And when you start thinking you got to bring B in, that's when things start going wrong. So I hope this simplifies it for you. Hope it makes it more likely you'll get this right on the next attempt. Good luck as you head back.